How to remove black bars on a stretched resolution, so in case your desktop or your computer is having black bars on your screen, so let's say you only see 2/3 or a half of your screen, and the other part is kind of blacked out. This will help you out, so what you want to do is go to Start down here or into Search and type in Settings, then Display, and you want to click on this that pops up inside Settings. And over here you want to select the monitor. In my case I have two. If you only have one, there's no problems, but if you do have two, you want to select the one where the problem is happening. So in my case it's on monitor 2, and then you want to scroll down and look for Advanced Display. Okay, where it says Advanced Display Information and Refresh Rate, you want to click this, and then over here it says Display Adapter Properties for Display 2. You want to press this, and then you want to go inside the monitor, and over here where it says Screen Refresh Rate, you want to change this from 60 Hz to whatever you have. Now you may have 59 Hz selected, and you want to switch to 60. If you have 60, you want to switch to 75. Whatever you do, just switch to higher Hertz. Okay, so to a higher screen refresh rate, and once you do that, you want to click Apply, and then, okay, and your screen will kind of flash. It will turn black for a second, and then once it turns back on, it should fix your issue. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.